Hi, this is Ali Ashraf Russell from Narayanganj, Jalkuri. Here I introduce with you my sketch. This sketch was made 2014 when I done my master's degree from Dhaka University Charukala faculty, and I just add information that this painting was allowed for exhibition Nobin exhibition from Bangladesh Shilpokala Academy. This is a tattoo type design I have done because I am a tattoo artist. I also have been doing tattoo almost 10 years. আপনারা দেখতেছেন ভিতরে অনেক ডিটেলস কাজ আছে. There's many details work inside my painting pen sketches. This is a horror eye, and you look the tree leaves and baby inside the baby mother belly, and the positions of compositions. This baby is middle and totally is harmonical and based on figurative, and if you look the detail you can see some insects inside the main focusing point and many other line and shade also focusing the illusions in our brain, and we can get a relaxed positions when see the pictures. So as a tattoo artist, I suggest you, if you wanna do a good tattoo, please subscribe our channel and share with your friend for a good tattoo. Please stay with me. Thank you again for watch. Thank you again for subscribe. Thank you.